good morning America สบายดีnhớ rong đồ sự đời nó nói là của mỏ trà cho bên nó để từ trâu cho xuống nó rồi tại vì mà chú ý ní thì trâu đi chả là yeah, good morning folks. I just let you know that today I'm going to do the sticky rice in the bamboo. And this is how you put the bamboo. This is young bamboo, okay? I don't like the old one, but I like the young one. And we got the bamboo a couple of days ago. And I just gonna show you how to boil the sticky rice in the bamboo. Alright? Okay, จีเฮ็ดข้าวหลามให้กินเด้อAnd we have to measure the pop because you don't want this go over the pop. So you don't want to cut longer than that. The longer is about here. But when you put the rice, it's about down here. Okay? And then you just put about here. Okay, món chua nè. Okay, thầu ní cho nó chị. Nghe tao món chua, you have to wash because the inside when you cut and all these dirty get inside. So you don't want that. You don't have to wash the outside, but you need to wash the inside. One at a time. My rice, okay, and the green here I made the juice yesterday, so this is we need the flavor only. It smells good. Now you put sugar. It depends. You want sweet or not too sweet, okay? So you can put whatever. No, this is 1 cup. Maybe 1.5. Let's see. Make sure your rice, you have to soak it overnight. At least 4 hours. Yeah, 你就冇啦，你做你包什麼做也熟啦。你得來屋企你做個你二什麼你應該有用。Okay, so you pour one at a time. Perfect. See, right now my rice is about here, and I need to put some. Okay, and my first one. All fill up, right? You all fill up. See, I got the chicken right here. So when you cook the chicken like that, make sure that your chicken goes to location that is not don't have the flame, okay? Because otherwise your chicken's gonna something funny. Looks so good, eh? Okay, let's go.